Hello, welcome. This is a special video. This is for you. You are learning English. You are learning hope. You are learning faith. God is preparing you for something bigger. Repeat, God is preparing you for something bigger. Repeat again. God is preparing you for something bigger. Listen. Listen with your heart. You may feel small now. You may feel weak now. You may feel tired now, but there is a plan. There is a plan for you. God is preparing you. God is preparing you for something bigger. Say it with me. God is preparing you for something bigger. Hello, my name is Teacher. I am your teacher today. I am your friend today. We will learn English. We will learn hope. We will learn simple words. We will practice speaking. We will practice listening. We will feel strong. We will feel brave. Key phrase: God is preparing you for something bigger. Say it. Say it slowly. God is preparing you for something bigger. Why this theme? Many people feel small. Many people feel lost. Many people feel afraid. This theme helps you. It gives hope. It gives courage. It helps your English too. We will use simple words. We will repeat. We will practice. Repeat. Hope, courage, prepare, future, bigger. Simple vocabulary for beginners. We will learn some words now. I will say the word. I will give a simple meaning. I will give an example. Repeat after me. Prepare, meaning to get ready. Example, I prepare my bag. Repeat, prepare, prepare, prepare. Future, meaning time that comes next. Example, my future is bright. Repeat, future, future, future. Challenge, meaning a hard thing. Example, a test is a challenge. Repeat, challenge, challenge, challenge. Bigger, meaning more large. Example, a big house is bigger than a small house. Repeat, bigger, bigger, bigger. Strong, meaning not weak. Example, I am strong. Repeat, strong, strong, strong. Hope, meaning a good feeling about the future. Example, I have hope. Repeat, hope, hope, hope. Strong, meaning not weak. Example, I am strong. Repeat, strong, 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 strong. Hope, meaning a good feeling about the future. Example, I have hope. Repeat, hope, 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 hope. Short motivational story. Very simple. This is a short story. Listen. Listen slowly. There is a young woman. Her name is Sarah. Sarah is poor. She has little food. She has little money. Sarah is sad. She is afraid. She thinks, I am small. One day, Sarah prays. She says, God, help me. God hears Sarah. God is with Sarah. Sarah works hard. She learns. She studies. She helps others. She is kind. Years pass. Sarah grows. She learns more. One day, Sarah opens a school. She helps many children. Sarah says, God prepared me. Sarah says, God prepared me for something bigger. Repeat, God prepared me for something bigger.
Hello, Tom. How are you?
I am tired. I am sad.
Why are you sad?
I have no job. I have no money.
I believe in you. God is preparing you.
Preparing me? For what?
For something bigger, for a good future.
I will try. I will be strong.
Good. I will pray for you.
Thank you. I feel hope.
Listen. I will say short sentences. Listen and repeat. God is with you. Repeat. God is with you. Repeat. You are not alone. Repeat. You are not alone. Repeat. You can learn. Repeat. You can learn. Repeat. You will grow. Repeat. You will grow. Repeat. God is preparing you for something bigger. Slow. Repeat. God is preparing you for something bigger. Repeat 3 times. Speaking practice with pauses. Speak with me. I will say a phrase. Then you say it. Take time, breathe, use a slow voice. I am strong. Repeat, I am strong. Repeat twice. My future is good. Repeat, my future is good. Repeat twice. I can learn English. Repeat, I can learn English. Repeat twice. God is preparing me. Repeat, God is preparing me. Repeat twice. I am ready for something bigger. Repeat, I am ready for something bigger. Repeat twice. Affirmative sentences, short and powerful. Say these affirmations every day. Say them in the morning. Say them at night. Say them slowly. Say them with feeling. I am strong. I am brave. I have hope. My future is good. God is preparing me for something bigger. Repeat each line 3 times. Repeat. Real life example. Very simple. This is a real life example. It is short. John is a man. He lost his job. He felt sad. He prayed. He learned a new skill. He learned to cook. He started a small shop. He sold food. People liked his food. His shop grew. Now John has many workers. John says, I was prepared. John says, God prepared me for something bigger. Repeat. God prepared me for something bigger. Repeat. Visual suggestions for the video. Show a sunrise. Slow music. Text. New day. New hope. Show a person studying. Close-up of hands writing. Text. Learn. Prepare. Show a small seed, then a plant. Text. Grow. 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 Show a person helping another. Text. Kindness. Help. Show the phrase, God is preparing you for something bigger. Big letters. Soft light. Take a pause. Short practice activity. Now a small activity. It is easy. 1. Write the words prepare, future, challenge, bigger, strong, hope. 2. Say each word out loud. 3. Make a short sentence with each word. Example, I prepare my bag. Example, my future is bright. Say the sentence 3 times. Do this now. Pause the video if you need time. Take a pause. Slow. Closing of Part 1. You did well. You listened. You spoke. You learned new words. You heard a story. You practiced a dialogue. You said affirmations. Remember the main idea. God is preparing you for something bigger. Say it now. Say it slowly. God is preparing you for something bigger. Repeat 3 times. Take a pause.